Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by dividing your syllabus into small units of 3 to 5 topics each. Allocate focused study sessions of 60 to 90 minutes per unit every day. Prioritize fundamentals like nomenclature, reaction mechanisms, and functional groups first. Make concise notes with headings, reaction arrows, and 3 to 5 example problems. Use a standard textbook and one reference video series for consistent explanations. Review previous unit summaries for 15 minutes before each new session. This steady structure prevents last-minute cramming and builds long-term recall. Use active recall by covering notes and reproducing mechanisms on blank paper. Practice spaced repetition with flashcards for reagents, names, and key conditions. Solve one worked example step by step before attempting mixed exercises. Use molecular models or 3D apps to visualize stereochemistry and conformations. Teach a peer or yourself aloud for 10 to 15 minutes per topic. Limit passive reading to 5 minutes before switching to problem solving. Track weak topics in a notebook and revisit them in weekly cycles. Schedule full-length practice tests under timed conditions once every 2 weeks. Simulate exam rules, no notes, only allowed calculators, and strict 3-hour limits. Analyze mistakes by categorizing them into concept, calculation, or careless error types. Allocate 40% of study time to reaction mechanisms and synthesis problems. Use past board questions and mark patterns of repeated topics across years. Rest well with 7 to 8 hours sleep before exams for optimal memory recall. Keep a concise formula sheet for last-minute review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.